wanted to summarise thousands of timestamps into daily, monthly or yearly statistics in just one SQL query? In this video, I'll show you how to create time buckets, one of the most useful techniques for analysing time series data. Time bucket is when we group a datetime value by a specific aspect of the date or time, whether that's the day, hour, year, any part. So, how do we start off with this? Well, we get the data created here with the text data types. And as you can see here, inserted values, the date times. Now we are going to group these days or years together. So, let's start. We begin by creating a column that will give the year for each row. We can get that with the function strftime. Then in brackets we put in speech marks %y. This means we are looking at the year from the column trade time. We will call this column year. Next we put an aggregate function here, which is what we normally do before grouping by. So when we do our group by, same function placed in here. This is because the select actually happens after the group by function, so the year column name has not been recognised yet. Then order by year, because to be even more confusing, order will happen after select, so the year will be recognised, which will give us the year's order if it wasn't ordered by date already. So now when we run it, we have 2026 and 2027, with the max change for each year, as that was the aggregate function we chose. Now, that is the basic template. To get the other values is now just some small tweaks. Months with the year, we give %y dash %m. Then displaying this example gave the smallest change in for month of each year. Removing the %y will ignore the year and just give the months groups regardless of year. By day, actually easier. We remove strftime and we use date, since that will just give us each separate day. %d will give us groups by the day of the month when using strftime. Hour of the day is using %h, as you can see, or if we wanted every individual hour, we need to place in the full date behind it too. Similarly, minute of the hour with the %m, and then every minute if you like, the hours and place dates in as well. Then that is all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel, and I hope to see you in another video.